muddy, like it gets that gray tinge because I haven't been able to figure out how to color correct hyperpigmentation. It feels like my foundation sits like on my skin. It never seems well blended and seems to like slide around. I'll definitely need help with all of that.
Okay.
I don't use powder, but it looks powdery. Hyaluronic acid, melasma. I'm afraid my mast cell will go crazy.
I was in pharmaceutical sales and medical sales for 20 years, so I was on the road. So this entire side of my face is covered in sun damage. I've tried everything.
I love horrible. Colors are probably not even right for me. And then I've been trying these I use the NARS concealer. Doing stuff way too quickly in the morning and it just looks like shit. I'd rather spend longer and like feel good. The most is this. Not wearing makeup and I'm finally doing better. So like I feel like I need to, one, my hair is darker, so like I'm different coloring and everything's changed. My skin, I'm older. Like makeup's my only option to just help me feel a little bit better. More of a natural, like dewy look. I also really struggle with my eye makeup. It ends up rubbing off. Haven't really been able to get them to pop. Like, I guess I don't really understand the difference between like contouring and like using bronzer. Just like placement of the bronzer and blush. So my skin hangs more on the side.
Again, as we go out towards that wing. If you turn it this way, you connect it to that top part.
Oh, that's nice.
Or you can leave them bare, it's just, you know, whatever you're in the mood for. So when we do the little flicks, we want to leave a little space in between them so they look like individual hairs. Either your Charlotte Tilbury or your e.l.f.
That's like that sparkly one I have.
This one's shimmery.
Okay, okay, for a foundation.
No, this would go under your foundation.
You actually can use that. Okay.
Yeah, so just makes your foundation look a little more glowy.
Okay. I tend to like go whiter because I think I'm like wanting my skin to be that color.
It's too light. And do you see the pink in that?
Yeah.
A pretty good match. I'm looking for this shade and this shade. And then your neck's lighter and we can just bring the foundation down. See how it's disappearing? So if you have any redness, this is a game changer. Okay. You ever want to neutralize?
The green comes for like the red here. Good for her.
We're gonna do just put a little bit on there. I'm gonna put that where it's purple. Everybody gets dark in that inner corner.
You would maybe put
online, they'll say you have to do cream or cream and powder in real life. But if you want it to last, you have to put powder over it.
Okay.
Start there, and then I'm just tapping. I go to the arch of the brow. This rainbow here. And the line's gonna go to always start right here.
I'm starting and I just
for every
here.
Yep.
Don't drag that.
Right, perfect.
Nothing happens chin here. I sometimes feel like that looks icky. Yeah, me too.
On camera, it's great, but
Yeah,
for real life, you
cuts
look
your
like you have a
chin.
line there.
Like,
You can do it here.
Do a nice line.
Contour line.
So you started like right here.
This way is just.
You don't fill in. Got it. You don't fill in the center.
Yep.
Juicy.
And then
Here.
Yep.
See, like what? Okay. Good. Thank you so much. I love it.
You're welcome.
The foundation and like under eyes was really helpful. And honestly, literally everything.
If the contour is looking like a line.
I'm afraid my mast cell.
Yes. Skin looks so goodness. Gorgeous.